are not suspects, they are not accused persons, they cannot be arrested for owing debt. Now, a lot of times we see that people report people who owe them to the police and ask the police to arrest them because they owe and they're unable to pay. When someone owes you a debt, he's unable to pay, he has not committed a crime by doing so. If that were the case, so many people would have been in prison by now or police custody for debts they owe. So debt is a pure civil liability, and you cannot involve the police. The police have no business in debt collection. So you cannot report or lodge a complaint at the police station against someone who owes you money and expect the police to come in and arrest the person. People use the police to, cause fear and panic, put pressure on the person to pay the money. And the police sometimes also supervise the collection of the debt because they know that when it is collected, they will by all means take a share. And as a matter of fact, if you collect your debt through the police, you will lose your money because they will take a percentage, which is illegal, but they will do it. And you will not really challenge them because you sent your case to them. So when someone owes you and he's even proving very stubborn, don't report it to the police just to sort of intimidate them and get them to pay the money. No, it is wrong to do that. So as a pure civil claim, when someone owes you the money, what should you do? Number one is to write a letter to the person demanding for the money. The letter would be like a demand notice. You can get a lawyer engaged to write that letter for you, where you give him, say, 14 days, 21 days, 1 month to pay the money. If he does not pay, you must sue him in a court of law and prove that he owes, and the court will give you judgment. And when you get a judgment, then you enforce the judgment against him. If there's no money in his bank account to be withdrawn to pay your money, you will sell his properties by the court order. All of those help you to recover your money peacefully and through the right procedure. Of course, if you're not someone who prefers to go to court, you can have an agreement with a person to engage in mediation, arbitration, or some sort of negotiation to have the debt paid. As a matter of fact, don't behave like that person who invited the immigration officer with cash and allegedly killed him because he owes the immigration officer. Don't be like that person. But please, don't also involve the police in debt recovery processes. It is not a crime. It does not involve any arrest. There's no need to involve the police or go to police station. Just call a lawyer on the phone and discuss the issue with the lawyer. The lawyer will advise you on what to do. I am Godwin Selassie Takbo, and this is Make It Legal.